Hello guys and welcome to Crypto Bull. In this video I'm going to show you how to set up Binance Chain Network on Metamask wallet. We will not be installing Metamask in this video. If you haven't installed Metamask, then you can watch my other video, which you can find by going into Crypto Bull channel by clicking on Crypto Bull under this video, and here you will see this playlist cryptocurrency tutorials, and there I have already a tutorial how to set up Metamask wallet if you don't know how to do it. Here in the top corner, if I click on this Fox icon, currently I have Metamask. I can click expanded view if I want by clicking these three dots and click on expanded view, and this will open me expanded view wallet on my web browser. At the very top, if you click here, you will see that networks. Currently checkmark is as an Ethereum mainnet. This means that we are using Ethereum mainnet, Ethereum network, and there are other different networks. There is Arabsen network, there is Kavan network, and there is a couple other networks which you can use. These all networks which are there, guys, they are completely different. They are independent one from each other. If you are using Ethereum mainnet network, this means that you are using everything related to this network, and this has nothing to do with other networks. If you would want to set Binance Smart Chain network, we will need to create a custom network. This is only because of reasons that MetaMask doesn't have by default set up Binance Smart Chain network. To do this, at the very top, click on this Ethereum mainnet or whatever you have there. As you see, in my case it is Ethereum mainnet, and currently I see my Ethereum, and here at the very bottom you will see custom RPC. Just click on that one, and here you will need to enter details. If we go in Binance documentation, you will see that you can set two types of Binance Smart Chain networks. One is testnet. This is if you would be, for example, developer and you are creating these smart contract dApps on Binance Smart Chain, then you will need testnet, as that way you will be able to test your applications which you are building on Binance Smart Chain. And by the way, in one of my future videos I will create a full tutorial explanatory about Binance Smart Chain, and I will compare it to Ethereum blockchain. Binance Smart Chain transaction fees are way smaller, and that's why if you will go, for example, to CoinMarketCap, you will notice that BNB tokens price is growing. To my opinion, guys, this is the best way to buy into BNB, so as to buy in. If I will come here and open CoinMarketCap, you will see that Binance Coin BNB in the last 24 hours it is up 43%, and to my opinion, guys, this price is just starting to go up, and it is just taking off, guys, and it will be over $1,000 in couple weeks. So as another coin to consider in relation to Binance Smart Chain is Cake or Pancake Swap. This is similar to Uniswap. So as transaction fees, and I will also be creating videos on Pancake Swap, and transaction fees on Pancake Swap and on Binance Smart Chain in general are very small, and I believe that this price for Cake could also go to $100 easily. Now let's get back into the video, into setting up our wallet, and all you need to do to set up your wallet, like I mentioned, guys, is here is for testnet. We will not be using testnet because we are not developers. We will be setting up mainnet wallet. So click here on RPC URLs. Here you will have different recommended URLs, and we will be copying this first URL from that link which opened. Then you come back here, and then you open your MetaMask wallet. At the very top, click on these networks and click on custom RPC. And here we will be adding Binance Smart Chain network name. You can type whatever name you want, but I will be typing Binance Smart Chain there. In second one, new RPC URL. This is the URL we just copied. So paste it in here, guys. Chain ID is 56. As you can see here, guys, if this is this point, chain ID is 56, and symbol is BNB. For Block Explorer URL, you are adding this last URL, as you can see here, guys, which is last here under the mainnet, and you paste it and click save. Then you have added Binance Smart Chain network. If we click now into Binance Smart Chain network, you will see that currently I am in my Binance Smart Chain network, and I have there already 1.85 BNB coins because I already set up this wallet on my other computer, guys, and I already was transferring cryptocurrencies, and on this computer I just set it up first time. That's why I already have hit their funds. so you will not have any funds when you will set up your wallet. If you now will open this wallet in web browser by clicking on these three dots and clicking on expanded view, you will see your funds and everything to do with your wallet, guys. And here at the very top you will see BNB, and like I mentioned, I already have 1.85 BNB. If you would like to send or if you would like to receive, it is similar to Ethereum. But note, guys, that to this address, if you would like to, for example, to receive cryptocurrency, Binance Smart Chain cryptocurrencies to this wallet, you need to copy this address. For example, copy it, and then you can go, for example, to Binance, and then you send to Binance Smart Chain. You are not sending to Binance Chain, because Binance Chain and Binance Smart Chain are two different things, guys. Because Binance Smart Chain, which we are using here with this wallet, it is the smart contract platform and smart contract blockchain built by Binance, where BNB or Binance Chain, this is only a chain or blockchain which is built for Binance BNB token. So don't mix this up whenever you are sending from Binance. Always send to Binance Smart Chain. These are only BNB or Binance Smart Chain tokens or cryptocurrencies which you will see here on this wallet. If you would like to see Ethereum wallet, similar way, you can change your Ethereum mainnet. Just click on Ethereum mainnet and you can use your Ethereum wallet. And you can send your Ethereum cryptocurrencies or ERC20 cryptocurrencies to your Ethereum wallet, as you can see here. But if we are using Binance Smart Chain, you click again here on these networks, and we are clicking here on Binance Smart Chain, and now we are completely using Binance Smart Chain, and here you are sending only your Binance Smart Chain tokens. Then if we go on PancakeSwap.finance, now you will be able to connect your wallet, as you can see here, guys, to next, and I connecting my wallet. Here you will see that on PancakeSwap I'm doing staking already. And by the way, another reason why I think that these cryptocurrencies, PancakeSwap cake tokens, will be so expensive is because staking is very profitable for PancakeSwap. If you come here in PancakeSwap, however, I will be creating another video on PancakeSwap. You go here into pools, guys, you will see that you can stake your cake here, and currently staking rewards is 138, almost 139% per year. So this is huge staking reward for staking your cake tokens, and this is exactly what I'm doing here. As you can see, I'm staking my cake tokens, and I started staking only a couple hours ago, and already in couple hours I already earned almost 2 new cakes, so pretty much $35, as you can see here, just by staking my cake tokens. So this is another reason why cake tokens or PancakeSwap tokens will go very high in price. Like I said, I believe that they will go over $100. But yes, guys, I hope that you found this video useful. If you have any questions, ask them in comments. But in my future videos, like I mentioned, I will be creating one more video on explaining Binance Smart Chain, so you have a better understanding about how it works and similarities to Ethereum blockchain, because this is very similar to Ethereum blockchain. And then I will create another video on PancakeSwap DEX or decentralized exchange. If you look here, guys, this number is growing very fast. There is locked 3.5 billion already dollars, and that's why I think that PancakeSwap is the safe investment if you are investing in cryptocurrencies, and BNB or Binance coins also is safe investment, because this blockchain has way less transaction fees, and even if Binance coin or BNB will go to $1,000 or $2,000, these transactions will never be even close to those transaction fees which are on Ethereum blockchain. And that's why you are seeing what is happening currently to Binance coin, and it is going up in price parabolically, and the same is happening to PancakeSwap, and its price is also going up parabolically, because PancakeSwap is the Binance chain main DEX or decentralized exchange, where you can exchange different cryptocurrencies from one to another which are built on Binance Smart Chain. So yes, guys, I hope I will stop rambling, and I hope that you found this video useful. If you did, leave a like, share this video, subscribe to my channel if you are new, and see you in the next one.